sweepies, apple crumble pumpkin pie girlies. I hope you're doing amazing and welcome to my channel, the House of Moira. So if you're new here, to like, share, subscribe if you really like my videos. And just for your knowledge, I make get ready with me videos, I make glow drink videos, wellness videos, and I review skincare products, and in future we'll be reviewing makeup products, or we'll try to use them and I can give you a honest review about that. Okay, so let's just start with today's video. I don't want to be that long. We'll quickly complete it. Okay, so today we'll be making hyaluronic acid serum at home. We'll be learning how to make it because it's been more than a year I'm using it on my skin and has given me amazing results. This will literally give you glass glow skin. We can see in the ads, people are branding. There are different brands who claim that. I know they are a bit costly, and every day we cannot buy new serums just to try on. So let's just make it at home and try how it glides into our skin and how it makes look glassy. Okay, so we'll be needing this container. You can take any container, but not the plastic one, please. Just use the glass one because serums should be kept in a glass bottle because we have to refrigerate it afterwards. If you're keeping it outside on your dressing or in your washroom, please use it within 5 to 7 days. Otherwise, there'll be a pungent smell in the serum. Do not use that. If it gives you a pungent smell after 5 or 7 days and you have kept it outside, do not use it. It's better to refrigerate this and use it in morning before you go for work, and once you come back before bed, use it. But make sure you have to secure it with the moisturizer. So when you apply it after your toner, you have to apply moisturizer. Otherwise this serum will tighten your skin and that will look dry. So if you don't want your skin to look dry, you have to use moisturizer on it. And if you're applying it on your body, you have to secure it with a body lotion. Simple. Glass jar we'll be taking warm water. So I have kept this kettle. I will make it warm. And the main part is this powder, hyaluronic, ultra pure hyaluronic acid powder. This comes with this jar that I've already used half of the one, and it comes with a scooper. This 2 of this will be using, like 1 and 2. Do not use more than 2, otherwise your serum will look sticky on your face and it won't glide into your skin. So what we'll be doing, we'll be taking just 2 of this, simple, just 2 of this, put it in the warm water, we'll whisk it very nicely so that there'll be no lumps. I will put the picture in the description box, don't worry. After the end of the video, I will put the picture so that you can just buy it either from the market, or the best part is Amazon. You can order this from Amazon. There are small packets as well. If you want to use it for the very first time, just order that packet, make the serum, apply it for 1 or 2 months, and when you feel the change, then order this container. This is best. It'll be used for whole year, more than a year I must say, because we are just using 2 scoops of this. So what we'll be doing, this is the glass jar, all neat and clean, nothing in it. We'll be adding these 2, 1 and the second one. Wait, this is the second one. That's it, nothing. We will not add anything else in this. This is the warm water. Yeah, this is warm. We'll be adding it to this line. That's it. And if you really want, you can add few drops of rose water, or you want to add aloe vera gel, you can use it. I do not add it because I feel like I used to add, but it became so sticky that you cannot even sleep after applying that. So I just stopped adding the rose water, and rose water is still fine, but aloe vera gel, I never added that because I felt like it's more sticky rather than giving the complete texture of a serum. Okay, so this is how it looks. As you can see, it has lumps because we haven't whisked it. So with this, we'll be doing it. I know you guys will feel like this has more water and less of this. 2 scoops are so less, but you know, next morning when you see, it will be so thick. Keep on doing it. As you can see, the lumps. Okay, one thing I want to tell you is, do not feel that it has more water and less of the powder. Please, once you refrigerate it, and the next morning when you see, everything will glide into the water and it'll become thick. I'll show you the one that I use. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. So what you have to do it, see the consistency. It's a kind of a gel. So you have to just, and you can use it all over your arms, but make sure you have to secure it all over your face, neck, everywhere you can use it. Do not feel that we have added more water and less. Just 2 scoops are enough, are literally enough. And once you'll start making it, you will get more experienced that in which jar I have to make, how much is the quantity. The quantity, you please keep it just 2 scoops. That's it. This is how it looks. See, no lumps at down, no lumps at all, but you can see there are few. We'll again whisk it. It's a warm water so that it will glide into each other. And what we'll do, we'll just, that's okay. If you feel the lumps are not going, okay, fine, no worries. You have done your job very well. Just shake it nice. And this will go in the refrigerator. Again, I'm telling, if you do not refrigerate it, if you keep it outside, use it within 5 to 7 days. Otherwise, it will give you a pungent smell. That is not the good texture that you have to use it on your body. This is the powder that I use. I ordered this from Amazon. Again, I will show you. Ultra Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Okay, this will go into this jar and it will give you amazing results. I'm telling you, trust me, rather than spending your money on the outside skincare products, just wait, give some time, apply it for 1 or 2 months, and if you didn't find it nice, go. It's your money, go spend it on the skincare products or the serums out there in the market. But please just try it. I have tried. It's been more than a year I am using this serum. Second thing, do not keep it outside, please. Third, always secure this with the moisturizer. If you're using it on your face, moisturizer. If you're using it on your body, then body lotion. And it will give you amazing results if you do in this way. Fourth, this is not that costly. It was just for $20. So rather than spending your money on the serums out there, which is of 32, 55, 58, 65, buy this, add water, 2 scoops, add water. If you want, you can add aloe vera gel as well. Again, I'm telling you, if you want, you can add rose water to it. But I don't know, I didn't feel that to be good because that became so sticky, it didn't glide into my skin. This is the complete picture how we made. See, all the lumps are gone. There's one tiny hair, but it'll go once we refrigerate it. And use it on your face, use it on your body. It'll give you glass glow skin. Your scars will disappear, your pimples will disappear. This will give you complete hydration, moisturizing. It'll make your skin look so good. If you really like the video, do like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.